Libra, the seventh sign in the Zodiac, embodies balance, harmony, and a deep appreciation for beauty. Individuals born between September 23rd and October 22nd fall under this charming and diplomatic sign. Represented by the scales, Libras are constantly seeking equilibrium in all aspects of their lives. Ruled by Venus, the planet of love and beauty, Libras possess an innate grace and charm that draws others to them. Their love for balance extends beyond their personal lives and influences their interactions with the world. Libras are natural peacemakers, always seeking to create harmony in their surroundings. This desire for balance makes them excellent mediators and diplomats, always striving for fairness and understanding. With their keen sense of justice and ability to see all sides of a situation, Libras are often sought out for their wise counsel and ability to resolve conflicts peacefully. Libras possess an uncanny ability to diffuse tense situations and bring opposing parties together. This stems from their deep-seated understanding of fairness and their genuine desire to see everyone treated equitably. They have a knack for seeing all sides of a story and can effortlessly step into another person's shoes. This empathy allows them to understand the motivations and perspectives of those involved in a conflict, enabling them to find common ground and negotiate peaceful resolutions. However, their aversion to confrontation can sometimes hinder their effectiveness in conflict resolution. Libras may shy away from addressing issues directly, preferring to maintain a harmonious atmosphere even at the expense of sweeping problems under the rug. While this approach can work in the short term, it can lead to unresolved resentment and larger conflicts down the line. Learning to balance their desire for peace with the need for open and honest communication is crucial for Libras to become truly effective mediators. Libras are inherently social creatures who thrive in the company of others. Their charm, grace, and ability to make everyone feel comfortable make them a welcome addition to any social gathering. They are natural conversationalists, adept at navigating social situations with ease and tact. Whether it's a casual gathering with friends or a formal dinner party, Libras have a way of bringing people together and creating a harmonious atmosphere. Their love for socializing stems from a deep need for connection and companionship. Libras are energized by interacting with others and find joy in building meaningful relationships. However, their aversion to conflict can sometimes manifest as a tendency to avoid difficult conversations or suppress their own needs to maintain harmony within a group. While this can make them appear easygoing and agreeable, it's important for Libras to establish healthy boundaries and communicate their needs assertively to avoid feeling resentful or unheard in their relationships. Ruled by Venus, the planet of love, beauty, and aesthetics, Libras have an innate appreciation for all things beautiful. They possess a refined sense of style and an eye for detail, often gravitating towards careers in art, design, fashion, or music. Their homes are often reflections of their impeccable taste, adorned with carefully curated pieces that create a sense of balance and harmony. This love for beauty extends beyond material possessions. Libras find beauty in nature, music, art, and even in the everyday moments of life. They are drawn to experiences that stimulate their senses and inspire a sense of wonder and delight. Their appreciation for aesthetics is not merely superficial, it's a deep-seated value that influences their worldview and their interactions with the world around them. Libras believe that beauty has the power to elevate the human spirit and strive to create a more beautiful and harmonious world through their work and their relationships. Section 5. The Libra Struggle, Finding Balance Within. While Libras are often seen as the epitome of balance and harmony, their constant pursuit of equilibrium can also be their greatest challenge. Their desire to weigh all sides of a situation can lead to indecisiveness, making it difficult for them to make choices, especially when faced with equally appealing options. This struggle with indecision can be frustrating for both Libras and those around them, as it can lead to missed opportunities or a sense of stagnation. Furthermore, their aversion to confrontation can sometimes lead them to suppress their own needs and emotions to avoid upsetting others. This can result in passive-aggressive behavior or a buildup of resentment over time. Learning to assert themselves, communicate their needs effectively, and make decisions more confidently are essential steps for Libras to achieve true inner balance and fulfillment. Section 6. Love and Relationships, A Quest for Harmony. For Libras, love and relationships are paramount. They crave companionship and thrive in partnerships where there's a balance of give and take. Ruled by Venus, the planet of love, they are naturally romantic and affectionate partners who prioritize creating a harmonious and loving environment. Libras are drawn to those who share their values of fairness, diplomacy, and appreciation for beauty. However, their desire for harmony can sometimes lead them to avoid difficult conversations or gloss over issues to maintain a peaceful facade. It's important for Libras to remember that true intimacy requires vulnerability and open communication, even when it comes to addressing challenges within the relationship. By learning to communicate their needs assertively and embrace healthy conflict resolution, Libras can build strong and fulfilling partnerships that stand the test of time. Section 7. Libra in the workplace, diplomats and collaborators. Libras excel in work environments that value collaboration, diplomacy, and fairness. Their natural ability to mediate conflicts, see all sides of a situation, and find common ground makes them valuable assets in team settings. They thrive in roles that allow them to utilize their creativity, such as design, writing, or the arts. However, their aversion to confrontation can sometimes hinder their ability to assert themselves or advocate for their ideas. It's crucial for Libras to develop their confidence and learn to voice their opinions assertively, even when it means disagreeing with others. By embracing their natural leadership qualities and honing their communication skills, Libras can achieve great success in their chosen fields. Section 8. Libras as friends, loyal and supportive. Libras are incredibly loyal and supportive friends who cherish their relationships deeply. They are always there to lend an ear, offer advice, and provide a shoulder to cry on. Their ability to see all sides of a situation makes them excellent confidants, offering unbiased perspectives and sound advice. Their love for socializing and creating harmonious environments means that Libras are always planning fun outings and bringing people together. They value fairness and equality in their friendships and will always go the extra mile to ensure that everyone feels included and appreciated. However, their desire to please everyone can sometimes lead them to overextend themselves or neglect their own needs. It's important for Libras to establish healthy boundaries and prioritize self-care to avoid burnout and maintain balanced and fulfilling friendships. Section 9. Embracing the shadow, overcoming indecisiveness. Like all zodiac signs, Libras have their shadow side. Their biggest challenge lies in overcoming their indecisiveness. This can manifest as procrastination, difficulty making choices, and second-guessing themselves. To overcome this, Libras can benefit from setting clear deadlines, practicing active decision-making techniques, and learning to trust their intuition. It's also crucial for Libras to embrace their assertive side and stop suppressing their needs to avoid conflict. Learning to communicate their desires openly and honestly will lead to more fulfilling relationships and a stronger sense of self. Section 10. The Libra Legacy. Leaving a mark of grace. Libras have a unique ability to leave a lasting impression on the world through their diplomacy, grace, and commitment to creating harmony. They possess a quiet strength that inspires others to seek balance and fairness in their own lives. Their legacy is one of peace, beauty, and understanding. They are the bridge builders, the diplomats, and the artists who strive to make the world a more harmonious and beautiful place. Section 11. Conclusion. The enduring allure of Libra. Libras, with their inherent charm, diplomacy, and love for beauty, continue to fascinate and inspire. Their balanced approach to life, coupled with their genuine desire to create harmony, makes them a joy to be around. While they may struggle with indecisiveness and a tendency to avoid conflict, their strengths lie in their ability to see all sides of a situation, their empathy, and their unwavering commitment to fairness. As Libras learn to embrace their assertive side and communicate their needs more effectively, they unlock their full potential and become a powerful force for positive change in the world.